Hi everyone, I am taking just a few minute break from work. Decided to go out and sit in the car, and I hope it's okay. I share that sometimes I forget to take a break during the day. It's sometimes difficult for me to remember that it's good to simply be and not do. So as a meditation teacher, I always try to make sure that everyone knows it's not really, the goal is not to be perfect in it. It's more to remind yourself that taking a break and letting the mind rest is a good thing for all of us. So even if you have just 2 minutes, I hope you take a little bit of time and rest with me. You can close your eyes if you're comfortable with this. You can keep your eyes open. The usual guidance is to try to ignore any background noise. Just don't let it bother you. It's just like a soundscape. And then taking a few deep breaths. Just feel into your body, how it feels today. Is there some tiredness, tension, maybe discomfort? Whatever is present, it's okay. No need to change it. We're just noticing the internal state of the body. And then we can also turn towards our mind state. Is the mind busy, relaxed, calm? Are there many thoughts or maybe emotions? There might be some difficulties today. Again, no need to judge, just be kind to yourself and accepting to whatever's happening inside of you. You're just taking a break to notice what's happening, recognizing the body, the thoughts and emotions, allowing them to give you some messages on maybe what's the right next action. And maybe in the last minute, notice also anything that's happening outside of you. There are quite a lot of sounds around me. There's a traffic. I've heard some birds. Maybe there's people talking. Noticing all the sounds and accepting them. They're just there. You don't have any control over them. Maybe pleasant and pleasant, but in the end, they're just sounds. And then just for a moment, returning to the breath. Letting the breath be light, very quiet. Letting it be slow and deep. Allowing the chest and belly to expand with that breath. It's okay to take a break, even in the middle of a busy day, as long as you find a spot where you can hide for a brief moment. You could also just do it with open eyes at your desk. But of course, it's nice to be able to go, perhaps find a meeting room, or in my case, car. Now, whenever you're ready and you wish to return to your normal activities, you can open your eyes, maybe stretch or move a bit, and just return to your surroundings. Now, thanks for watching this brief, potentially quite loud in the background meditation. Thank you for being here. And let me know in the comments if you like this kind of videos. And thanks again, and see you next time. Bye for now.